Listen, most traders think they lost because the market was against them. Truth is, many accounts blow off before the trade even starts because of a wrong lot size. Lot size is like the steering wheel of your car. If you don't know how to control it, one wrong turn and you crash. In this video, I'll break down how to calculate lot size step by step, manually and with tools, so you never drive blind to the market again. Lot size simply tells you how big your position is in the market. Think of it like ordering fuel. A small gallon costs less, a big gallon costs more. In trading, a small lot means smaller risk, smaller reward. A big lot means bigger risk, bigger reward. But here is the trick. If you choose the wrong lot size, you are either over-risking or under-earning. Standard, mini, and micro lots. Standard lot equal 100,000 units. So 1 pip is approximately $10. Mini lot equal 10,000 units. 1 pip is approximately $1. Micro lots equal 1,000 units. 1 pip is approximately $0.1. Now don't worry about the big numbers. Just remember, the bigger your lot, the bigger your pip value, and the faster your account balance changes. Risk management connection. Here is why most traders get wrecked. Lot size is not about greed, it's about risk. Imagine you've got $100 account and you're trading one standard lot. A 10 pip loss wipes you out in seconds, but with the right lot size, you can control the risk like a pro. It's not sexy, but it's survival. How to calculate lot size manually? So here is the formula. Lot size equal capital times risk in percentage per trade divided by the stop loss in pips times the pip value. Example for non-JPY pair. Let's assume we have $1,000 account. Risk is 2% and the stop loss is 50 pips. And also we have a pip value that is of micro lot of 0.10. Lot size will be equal to 1,000 times 0.02 divided by 50 times 0.1. That's 4 micro lots, which is equal to 0.04 lots. So that's it. Example for JPY pair. Let's assume we still have $1,000 account. Now the account balance is $1,000 and we are risking 2%. Then the stop loss is 50 pips. Then our pip value is approximately $0.091. So lot size equal 1,000 times 0.02 divided by 50 times 0.091, which is equal 4.4 micro lots, and that can be converted to 0.044 lots. So that's it for that. So I'm going to be showing you guys the simple tool I use to calculate my lot size. So what you do is to go down to your browser and you search cashbackforex.com. Then you go to the tool and click position size and risk calculator. So this instrument part is the currency pair you're trading. So let's assume the currency pair we're trading is AUD USD. So the instrument part is AUD USD, the deposit currency is US dollars. So you can decide to change it to any form of currency you want. But I'm using US dollars. Then the stop loss is in pip right now. So what you can do is you can switch it to stop loss price. Let's assume this price we're seeing here is the current market price of AUD USD. So this is the open price. Then the next thing you're going to do is go down to your stop loss price. So let's assume this value we are seeing here is still our stop loss price. Our account balance is what? $1,000. Then you are risking 2% of our capital. So the only thing you're not going to be changing here is your contract size. You are going to leave it the way it is. So then you press calculate. So this is what we have. So the lot size is 0.0153. So you can head down to your MetaTrader 5 and insert the value. So that's it. So lot size isn't just about making money. It's about protecting your money and trading smart. Every successful trader you see out there survived because they mastered risk through lot sizing. If you find this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button right now, because this journey is moving fast and you don't want to be the only one left behind while we grow. Stay smart, stay disciplined, and as always, stay leveraged.